back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. Today we are making shrimp with lobster sauce. This is one of those dishes that I just love. And when I go to a place that I can find some good lobster sauce with shrimp in it, I tell you, I love it. With white rice, it's perfect. To me, that is like a blast when I go to a Chinese place. One thing I notice is that not everywhere that we go, they have good Chinese food. You get used to what they have because that's all they have. But I tell you guys, this recipe is a recipe that I learned in Massachusetts when I was living there from a friend of mine who was the cook, or is still being the cook in that restaurant. And he's Chinese. It's a Chinese place and it's the best of the best. So let me tell you guys what we have here. I have a pound of shrimp. They are extra large shrimp. I like the large one or extra large because you want to see them and you want to taste them nice and tender, and So I also have 2 pounds of pork, ground pork. You can do it with beef, with chicken, with turkey, ground meat, but pork is the original way to do it as the Chinese people do it. So I have 2 pounds. And why do I have so much, you would think? Yes, I always share my dishes. So every time I cook and I share the videos with you guys in my knowledge, someone else is going to enjoy some of this food. So a pound of shrimp. I also have 2 eggs. I'm going to be using sesame oil, cornstarch, soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce. We're going to be using also a little sugar. So I have a lot of little things that are going to go in this dish, but that makes it perfect. Let me go ahead and start marinating. And then as I go, I tell you the measurement and what ingredients goes in each one. Guys, you're in for a wonderful ride. So let's go ahead and start this beautiful dish, shrimp with lobster sauce. I'm going to marinate the shrimp with a tablespoon of cornstarch, a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, brown sugar, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and let's go ahead and mix it. We're going to mix it well. Once we mix this together, to break the cornstarch a little, we're going to go ahead and put about 1/2 tablespoon of water. And we're going to mix it again. We just put a 1/4 teaspoon of brown sugar. We put a tablespoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1/2 tablespoon of water to break through the cornstarch. This is all set. We're going to put it aside. And 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. There you go. We are going to be putting about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Salt is up to taste. So I'm going to be putting a 1/4 teaspoon, not too much, up to taste. And we are going to go ahead and mix it together. Let's go ahead and mix it well. We have a tablespoon of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. But normally you guys know I use olive oil. And we're going to be cooking the shrimp. That's the first thing we're going to be doing. So let's go ahead and put the shrimp in. We just keep the heat on medium-low. Make sure the shrimp cook for about 2 minutes in one side, and then we're going to turn them to the other side. They will be done because we don't want to overcook them. It's been 2 minutes. Let me go ahead. Just going to turn them over. We're going to let it cook on that side for 2 minutes. Let's get the shrimp out. We want to leave the shrimp nice and tender, so just give it about 2 minutes in each side, because if you overcook them, they don't want to be as nice and soft when you are ready to eat them. So I don't want to put extra oil because the ground pork already has its own fat on it, so I don't want to put any more. So this is 5 cloves of garlic. I cut them very small So just go ahead and bring some of that grease down, just like that. Let it cook for a minute. It is on medium low. I want it. Okay guys, the garlic is at the point where I would like it, nice and crunchy. So let's put the meat. Guys, I just put the ground pork in, and I'm gonna just break through so make sure that there's no lumps. It looks very nice and soft. I just want to go over and make sure that it is. And then we're gonna let it cook for about 4 minutes without touching it. In total, I use about 2 cups of chicken broth. You guys have choices. You can use either vegetable, chicken, beef, or pork. If you have pork, better, because you are dealing with pork here. What I wouldn't do is seafood broth, because then the taste is going to be too strong. And as you guys know, this is called lobster sauce. But this doesn't have any lobster in it. So just keep that in mind. When you guys go out there and ask for it in the restaurant, don't expect that you're going to have some lobster little pieces or anything like that. I think what brings the nice taste as a lobster sauce is the ingredient, like the soy sauce and the oyster sauce, especially the oyster sauce. I think that brings out the flavor of lobster, but it doesn't have no lobster, but it does have shrimp. By now, I'm gonna go ahead and put about 2 little slices of mint ginger. Oh, that's gonna make the smell awesome, and also boost up the flavor. 2 minutes the ginger cooking, and then we're gonna go ahead and marinate it. Okay, we have here a tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of hoisin sauce, half a tablespoon of stir fry sauce, we can now go ahead and mix it together. It's taking another color. This is beautiful. Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and do a tablespoon of cornstarch. We're going to thicken the sauce. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and that's going to thicken the sauce. Right now we're going to go ahead and pour the shrimp. That is looking nice and thick right now. This lobster sauce is beautiful. Right now what we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and put 2 eggs. We let it cook for a minute, and then we can go ahead and move it. Nice and easy. Let's go ahead and move it around. That is just perfect. Nice, creamy. The shrimps look awesome. Beautiful. We just let it sit there for a minute. This is all set. I turn it off. Guys, let's go ahead and try this beautiful dish. Shrimp with lobster sauce. Look at this shrimp. Huh. So crunchy and tender. And the flavor is awesome. That ginger, I tell you, at the end, it makes a statement. Let's try some of the pork, the ground pork. Wow. What a beautiful dish. Guys, when you feel like something is special, when you feel like going out, but you're not sure if the restaurant is going to give you what you're expecting, you know what? You can make your own Chinese food. Just be creative. Use this recipe. Came out so good. Awesome, awesome. Shrimp with lobster sauce. Look at that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys try this dish. I hope you try this recipe. It came out so good. I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my videos. Thank you again for supporting my channel. Please don't forget to share my videos. Thank you so much. God bless. Let's eat.